How to Make Sugar Cookies by Ruth and Raphael Pervianchi.
These are the ingredients you will need: flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar.
For the wet ingredients, you'll need unsalted butter that is softened, 1 large egg, 1 large egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
After that, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl.
Roll the dough into balls and place them onto the baking sheet.
Bake for around 7 to 15 minutes.
When they reach a golden color, take them out of the oven and let them cool.